Severe flooding in Assam has displaced thousands of families. Homes and crops have been destroyed, leaving many without shelter and food. Local infrastructure, including roads and communication networks, has been severely damaged. Urgent need for food, clean water, and basic supplies to prevent hunger and malnutrition. Limited access to resources and support for affected communities due to the extent of the damage. Immediate relief efforts are crucial to support recovery and rebuild livelihoods. One Nation teams distributed food packs to flood-affected families in Assam, India, containing essential supplies such as rice, lentils, oil, spice powder, and vegetables to ensure nutritional needs are met.